Hey friends, Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center welcomes you. Let's talk about ethical search engine optimization and SEO spam mass. It is common knowledge that Google's early success was due to their ability to identify and rank web pages based on links from other websites. As Google's popularity expanded, several website owners attempted to trick the Google algorithm by artificially increasing the value of their site through unnatural inbound link building. Bad links are those that are created with the sole goal of deceiving Google's algorithm and gaining higher ranks. What is ethical SEO and why is it important? The adoption of established search engine optimization strategies and a code of behavior constitutes ethical SEO. It entails not employing any unexplained or concealed tactics to further a hidden or unexplained agenda. Unethical SEO is a form of spam and unlawful conduct that is hidden from website visitors. SEO Ethics. Number 1. Create inbound links for usage in social media advertising. Number 2. Make separate links for various web pages. Number 3. Avoid exchanging links with low quality or irrelevant sites. Number 4. Use sitemaps on your website to make it easier for search engines to find and index your content. The ratio of good links to bad links for any website is referred to as spam mass. For example, if 40% of a website's inbound links come from a spam domain, the website's spam mass is 40%. When we talk about spam domains, we are talking about domains that are created with the intention of artificially inflating a site's popularity and making it more noticeable. Google is aiming to identify whether a website's rating is based on the development of spam links. And the method for detecting the aforesaid is based on the concept of spam bulk. It can distinguish between links from good and harmful domains. Another key point to remember is that if Google discovers that a website's page rank is attributable to spam sites, it will degrade your page rank and, in the worst case scenario, classify your domain as a spam domain. Your ranking on the search results page will suffer as a result of this. What may be done to avoid fines for spam links? Building your website for people, not search engines, is the easiest approach to avoid penalties. So, you must continue to meet the requirements for search engine optimization while avoiding tactics that artificially boost your ranking. Keep your business safe by letting it know in natural and real ways. Owners of website should pay close attention to the terms of service of the search engines and directories to which their sites are submitted. Any breach of the terms and conditions may result in your website's domain being marked as spam or being delisted. Hey folks, thanks for listening. Join our Facebook group, My Learning Center. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube, My Learning Center. And visit our website and check ebooks, audiobooks, HD video courses, and many more.